Hello, Peter.
Oh, hey.
I'm having a look at your TPS report, and we have a problem here. You're using the 3-column layout, but we always use the 2-column layout. So, if you could fix that, that would be great. Hello, Peter. I went over your TPS report and we have a problem there. I saw that you don't capitalize your headings, and we always capitalize our headings. So if you could fix that, that'd be great.
Sure.
Hello, Peter. What are you up to? I see you're still working on the TPS report and you're using numbered headings, and we stopped using those, so if you could stop using those, that would be great.
Sure.
Hey Jerry,
Yeah.
the TPS report doesn't align with our guidelines, so you have to come in tomorrow.
On a Saturday?
Hey, good job! Your report was sticking perfectly to the guidelines.